family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Well, y'all, some of the stores, they are starting to stock up. And you know prices are rising. Even gas prices are rising. OMG. Yes, OMG for the gas prices. But this is the life that we live in, the world that we live in, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was the U-Back Kotex. These are $3.25, but there is a digital coupon, $4 off of 2. So that did come off. The next thing is the Purex 4-in-1 Clorox. They are $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that will attach. But this one, I think it's just the 4-in-1 Clorox colors. I didn't scan the other kind, the other one. But I'm thinking it's just the 4-in-1 Clorox colors. This is $2.70. Yes, $2.70. There's a $2 off digital, only making it 70 cents. Now, this is a good filler if your store has them for Saturday for the 5 off of 25, okay? The next thing, y'all, we got some sugar coming in. This Clover Valley sugar is $2.15. There is a digital for $1.15. Usually time we just get this around like Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I guess they needed to give us this again, which is fine with me because I will take all the sugar. Now, they have flour, and I don't do flour that much, so I just want to go ahead and just get my sugar. Yes. So then the last thing, Colgate Triple Action, $1.75. There is a digital coupon, $5 off of 3. That is attaching to this. So you want to pick up 3 of them. And like I said, they are $1.75. And when you, and then, you know, the $5 off of 3, that does attach. Okay. So after she rung up everything, I put the number in and my subtotal came up to $4.45. Now, if I was thinking, and I really wasn't, I could have put a little bit more to make it just $5. But $4.45 for the subtotal is fine with me. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There we go. There is the Colgate Triple. There's 1, 2, and 3, $1.75. That's the 5 off of 3. There's the Purex 4-in-1. There is the Kotex. And then there is the sugar. All right. So you see it, $4.45. Everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings, $12.15. Now, if you can find all of this for Saturday for the 5 off of 25 and add some more to it, yeah, this will be great. Great. So hopefully Saturday, y'all, we'll have some left when they bring in, hopefully, their trucks. They can have people to put them on the shelf and you all can get some low out-of-pockets for Saturday. Thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.